So today we're fitting some of these Team Heko wind deflector things on the windows. Just going to run through it. It's a dead simple job. We're just going to bang them on, show you how it's done. That's obviously the finished article. Let's go around the other side and we'll stick the second one on. Drop the window down. You slip these in. Now they've got a bit of double-sided tape on that. That is going to be to the outside of the rubber on the window. You just slide it in, bend it slightly, pop it in like that, and then you get these little pegs. Now these have got a little notch in them, sharp notch. That goes towards the plastic. So when you fin it in, it's going up and in. Now you'll need a pair of pliers, which are over there. Right. So we've got a pair of pliers. Now then, here we go. We're going to grab hold of that on the outside like that. Clips on there towards the plastic. We want one in, smack bang in the centre of that. So slide that in, just going to force that apart, push that in there like that, push that in, and you want that then just to push that all the way as far as it will go into the rubber like that, and that one's in now. Second one goes up here, right up in the top corner again, that bit to the outside. Just peg it halfway in like that. Slip that up there, just push it a little bit with your finger, or get it in and push it in up there like that. All the way in as far as it goes, and then we can pop the window up. And with a bit of luck, there we go. Beautiful, looks really nice. How about that? So they're really simple to fit and they look wicked, they look really good. Get a bit of wind deflector, stop the drips coming in when it's raining if you want the window down slightly. But I think they just look really nice. On eBay you can pick a set of these up for $27.99, which is, yeah, really good value. So yeah, if that's been of any use to you, drop me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.